What's your name?
My name is Yolanda Austin.
And where are you from?
I'm from Beltsville, Maryland.
And what skills would you like to learn today?
I would really like to refine my aiming, develop a stronger break shot, and just work on some basic aiming techniques.
Okay. And the pre-clinic series that you saw on the videos, is there any particular thing that stood out that you thought was useful?
Well, they were all pretty good. I like the length of them. First of all, they were just a few minutes long, and they focused on whatever the specific item they was focusing on. But they were very helpful to watch.
It kind of gives you a little bit of a glimpse of how the instruction is going to go.
Exactly. Yes, especially the one where they show how I guess you all are going to video us making certain shots. That was helpful. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Okay.
So this is the middle of day 2, getting towards the end, but there's more advanced aiming systems coming up here. But with that in mind, how's your experience with the course so far?
So far it's been pretty good. It's very intensive.
Intensive.
When they say it's intensive, it is a lot. You know, you get a lot of information in a relatively short amount of time. So, so that's good. I'm enjoying it.
Did you learn what you wanted to learn? Yeah.
I have, and I'm still working on those fundamentals, those rock solid fundamentals, and so I still have to keep coming back to that, because even when they're teaching us something with the aiming, you know, if something's off, it usually has to do with my fundamentals. So
I guess.
So basically, you know, so that's going to be an ongoing.
Yeah, I think that's with everybody.
Yeah. So.
Okay. Was there anything that you think that they can improve on as far as their instruction, their process, anything?
Well, I don't know. It's hard. It's a hard question. I think pretty much it's okay. I think day 2, I'm better at asking for more observation. Like if I'm not sure. Like yesterday, I think I tended to kind of just muddle through it. But today, I'm just learning now. I'll call Eddie or James over and just ask, you know, what I'm doing. And that really helped, because I was having problems with the stop shot. And yesterday I realized like something's just wrong. So today Eddie was actually able to observe me, tell me exact. So I feel a lot better about that. So yeah, so it's pretty okay.
Okay, so you're satisfied so far with the course?
I am, yes.
Excellent.